Hey, what's up? Hey, oh my god, I forgot my intro. What's up, guys? My name is Prakash, and I'm gonna be playing Unison League, and I'm getting that chest. Let me show you. In spawns, spawn treasure. I'm getting that. I want this one because I just want it, I guess. Oh my gosh, where's the other one? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do quest and get 2 more gems. What? Excuse me, what the heck? I think I have to finish these. Alright, I'm gonna try to. Oh my god, I was wasted that. You're a monster, that's mine. Boss. Oh my god, really bad. Chilio. Three monsters? That was only 3 bosses. That was only 2 though. So 3 in the top left. I think it means boss. I don't know. Level 27. Chill. I didn't get the thing. Can I get the thing or something, bro? Gosh dang it. How the heck do I rank up? I need that gem. I'm not gonna use minions, so I'm gonna try and get. Actually, no. Nice. Kill. No, I didn't get it. A card and a card. Alright, why don't we do that? Should go just snowman. Five bosses, bro. Right now, so good. Oh no, man, I think I'm supposed to get them. Combo, got my combo, alright. I'm stealing everybody's kills. Alright. Is that it? That was it? That was pretty easy. Coolio. Alright. Kill. Yay. Wait. Oh yeah. Nice. I don't know how I got there, but okay. Zero. Cool, I'll do that. Even though I don't need it. Easy. I'm just gonna take all those kills. Thank you very much. Kill. Kill. Nice, man. Nice. Come in. Let's go on the sits now. Come in. I didn't get the blue, what? Alright, I'm gonna end the video here and I'll make another one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what else to play next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.